So this is what you need to get a membership. So like they have individuals and the current and the qualified as well. So like if you're working in finance or you're a chartered surveyor, you could definitely get a membership. This is how it looks like. Hello, I hope you guys are doing amazing out there. Today's video, I want to discuss about buying petrol in Costco. Costco UK is amazing. The discount from Costco is so amazing, guys. Have you purchased petrol from Costco before? Please do let me know. If you haven't, this video is for you. You click the right video, so do not go anywhere. I hope you enjoyed this video. So what do you have to do? When you get to Costco, the best time to queue for petrol is after 6 o'clock. Why after 6 o'clock? Because everybody start leaving, and by the time you finish checkout after 6, half 6, you know, you can see on the video the queue is very low. Wondering best time to come to Costco to fuel your car up? I mean, to buy petrol or to buy diesel? Guys, stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Best time to come to Costco petrol? Guys, look at the queue. There's no queue here. And the time right now is literally 6:40 in the evening. There is no single queue here. How amazing this is. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, share with everyone. I probably queue less than 5 minutes. Then once you get to the pump, this is the procedure you have to take. So you have to scan your card. The machine is actually built with a scanning system. So you have to scan your card. Wait for about 5 seconds. Then the system will scan your card. Lift it. If it's not scanning, just move it a little bit down so that it can read, the laser can read the barcode. Then once it's scanned, it will show your name. It will say approve, approve James, approve Emmanuel. Then once it's approved, wait for a few seconds, you see it says insert card. They do not accept Apple Pay. I mean, Apple Pay is not available, but they do accept Visa, Master, and American Express. So that's bingo. Then once you insert your card with your PIN, I think they pre-approve £100. I mean, £99, almost £100. Once it's pre-approved, now you can lead the nozzle and start pumping. You know, the discount is amazing. I met people from Plymouth today. You can imagine driving all the way from Plymouth to come to Costco because there's no store there. They will be filling their tank because it's very important, because the discount you get is amazing. I got probably more than £10 discount, and that £10 is like things I bought inside Costco. It's pretty good deal for me because I live in Bristol. Just driving there, it's probably less than a litre to get me there, and get 10 quid off of petrol is amazing. Some people might say it's not worth their time. Well, if it's worth your time, I would definitely recommend you do go there, because people have cars with big engines. So you can imagine if you're driving a G-Wagon that have a 4 litre or 4.5 litre, I would strongly recommend you go top up your diesel or your petrol in Costco. Well, guys, thank you so much. And for those of you I met in Costco while I was creating the content today, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I went there to get drone, but I did not get the drone. But I did a video. Click on the page. There's so much videos about Costco on there. You might find something you like there. And if you're somebody who shop in Costco or don't know what the process is, watch the video and check the requirements, what you need to shop in Costco. Well, from Costco, Bristol, filling station or pump station or garage, thank you so much for watching the video, and I really appreciate you take your time to watch this video. I will definitely see you guys in the next video. I want to go back there and probably enjoy some of the Costco food, because there's a pizza in there, there's sandwich, there's other stuff in there I really want to try. So guys, please do share this video with your loved ones, share on Facebook, and also like, because the like help with algorithm. It triggered algorithm that somebody liked this video, so let me suggest this video to 3 or 4 people. So please, it's very important that you like the video. Thank you so much. You know what, you don't want to know, this is the 3rd time I'm doing this video, because the first time the sound didn't record. So please consider liking this video. I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.